What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this dress. So let's get started. First, you fold your fabric into 4 places, so you have 4 layers. And then I marked out 1 inch from the top part. So you mark out 1 inch from the top part, and then you take the length of your dress. For mine, I'm using 35 inches, and then I added 2 inches to it, so I have 37 inches. So it's the length from my shoulder to right above my knees. And then next, you come over here and take your shoulder measurement. So you divide your shoulder measurement by 2. For mine, I have 7.5, and then you mark it here. And then I'll minus 1 inch from it. So I have 6.5. So it's your shoulder measurement divided by 2 minus 1 inch. So I have 6.5. And then on this line, I'll take 9 inches for my armhole. So I'll mark it here. And then I'll connect the line from here down to this place. And then on this 9 inches mark, you take your bust measurement. So you divide your bust measurement by 4. And then you add 3 inches to it. So I have 12 inches. So it's your bust measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches. And then I'll drag down the bust line from here like this. And then just make a slant line to the end of the dress. So I dragged down the bust line with about 3 inches, and then I made a slant line to the end of the dress. On the bottom of the dress, I'll come over and mark 3 inches. And then draw a line from here down to this place. For the armhole, I'll mark 1 inch. And then draw a curved line from here down to this place. And then for the neckline, I'll mark 3.5 inches. I'll drag the line up like this. And then draw a curved line here. Again, for the neckline, I used 3.5 inches. And then I draw a curved line from here down to this place. On this 1 inch mark, I'll draw a curved line from here down to this place. And then I'll go ahead and cut. After cutting, this is what I have. And then I'll separate the back from the front. For the back part, I'll mark 6 inches on the center fold. And then I'll make a slit here. The next step is to cut out the lining for the front and the back part. So when you're cutting your lining, you make it shorter than the dress. So with the right sides facing each other, you go ahead and sew from here down to this place, and then you sew from here down to this place, and then you do the same for the lining. So after joining the shoulders together, you go ahead and stitch your button loop on one side of the back bodice. The next step is to join the lining to the dress. So with the right sides facing each other, you go ahead and sew the neckline together. You sew the neckline area together. So you join the neckline of your lining to the neckline of your dress. And then you snip it around. And then you join the sides of the dress. You also join the sides of the lining too. The next step is to go ahead and hem the armhole. So you fold it in, both the lining and the dress, you fold it in like this, and then you sew it all around. The next thing is to cut a very long piece of fabric, and then the length of mine is about 8 inches and the width is about 4 yards. I'll go ahead and pleat it on the bottom of the dress, and that's it. So here's the dress. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you for watching. Thank you.